Prime time news this evening. It's here. IMF warns the recession has started. Government updates the nation on efforts to contain the spread of COVID-19. And hungry animals, farmers in community under quarantine plead for food for their livestock.
Also, 4 new confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Jamaica. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, IMF reports increased demand for emergency financing. Andrew Laidley will tell us more in the Financial Week.
And new date for Olympics to be announced within 3 weeks. Jordan Fort will have the details in Primetime Sports.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what has been your experience working from home?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.